Let's apply the learned knowledge of learned concept to solve the examples. So we have question 2. How many right and acute angles are there in the figures given below? Here we have two figures and we have to find how many acute and right angles are there. So we are not going to measure it by using the protractor. By seeing only we can identify. So till now we have understood what are acute and right angles, and by figure only we can figure out which kind of angle is that. So we have to do accordingly. So to make you understand, so I will just write the names. I will give the name to the vertex of this figure so that it will be very easy for us further to measure the angles, to measure how many acute and right angles. So let's do now. Now we can see I have written the names to the figure, and accordingly we are going to write the angles. Okay, if you see children, here we do not have any kind of acute angle. Acute angle is what? Which measures less than 90 degrees. And if you see, okay, so here also one angle will form. Okay, so just see here, 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 here. So okay, accordingly we will get at every corner we will find one angle, isn't it? How does the angle forms? Okay, at corner we find the angles. So wherever the corner is there we will get the angles. Okay, so let's see which all angles we will get. So first we shall consider as a whole. Okay, so this whole figure we shall consider. If we consider this whole figure, so angle CAG. So this angle, can you see this angle is a right angle? Okay, so that is 1. Okay, let me write here the angle. So here, as there are no acute angles, I will write there 0. So here I have written, this is the sign of angle, angle CAG. Further we have AGI as a whole a right angle. So let me write that. Next we have angle CIG. So here one right angle has been formed. So let's write that angle CIG. Next angle we have ACF. Okay, so this corner we have finished, even this corner is over, this angle is over, and now the last angle, okay, of a full square, that is ACI. Accordingly all corners ACIG, ACIG, all these angles are covered. The middle letter in this tells us about the angles. Okay, and ACI we are using this to find the whole angle along with arm. Now let's see the small angles. Okay, so now if you see, the first square forms again 4 angles. Okay, just see here BAD. Okay, angle BAD, then we have angle ADE, then we have angle DEB, then we have angle ABE. So let me write that now. So you can see now I have written here BAD. Okay, BAD, then we have ADE, then we have DEB, and now we have last angle EBA. Now let's see the next square. So here we have angles CBE, BEF, EFC, and FCB. Let's write now. So let's see now angle BEF is one angle. Next we have EFC, then we have FCB, and then we have angle CBE. So here we have togetherly 8 angles. Now let's list out these angles. So the here angle will form EDF, then we'll get DGH, GHE, HED. Okay, let's write now. So just see now angle EDG, then we have angle DGH, then we have GHE, and lastly we have HED. So here again we have 4 angles. Now let's see the last squares remaining 4 angles. So here we shall add the angles. I'll write here angle FEH, angle EHI, angle HIF, and angle IFE. Let's write now. Accordingly, we have got all the angles, and now what we are going to do is we shall count total how many right angles. All these listed are right angles only. So let's count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Therefore, we have 20 right angles and no acute angles. Okay, hope you have understood how we have got the right angles. Okay, let me tell you again. Okay, so each square having 4 angles. So 4 plus 4 8 plus 4 12 plus 4 16 plus of whole square, okay, 16 17 18 19 20. So accordingly we'll gain 20 angles. Okay, let's see the second example. So here we have a square box and we have to find acute and right angles. In a square box there is a diagonal. Okay, so let's count the acute angles first. Acute angles are nothing but the angles which are less than 90 degrees. Thus if we see 1 2 3 4. So accordingly we have 4 acute angles. So we shall write 4. Okay. Now let's count the right angles. So we have 4 right angles, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So accordingly we have 4 acute and 4 right angles. Now let's see the further concept, that is we have complementary angles and supplementary angles. 2 angles are said to be complementary angles if the sum of their measure is 90 degrees. Okay, if any 2 angles are given, when the measure of two angles is added, and if we get the sum 90 degrees, then those 2 angles are said to be complement to each other. Okay, and here we have example. Angle ABC is 35 degree and angle PQR is 55 degree. When we add 35 degrees plus 55 degree, we will get the 90 degree as a sum, and therefore it is angle ABC is complementary to angle PQR. Now let's see supplementary angles. Okay, 2 angles are said to be supplementary angles if the sum of their measures is 180 degree. Okay, even here also we have 2 examples. Okay, sorry, 1 example where we have 2 angles. Okay, so first angle PQR is 55 degree and angle XYZ is 125 degree. Okay, and when we add 55 degrees plus 125 degree, the sum will be 180 degree. Therefore angle PQR is a supplementary angle, okay, to angle XYZ. So these are what the types of angles. Okay, complementary angles and supplementary angles. The sum of complementary angle is dash. So right now we are seeing the sum of complementary angles will be 90 degrees. So we'll have to write 90 degree. The sum of supplementary angles will always be 180 degrees. Okay, so based on whatever we have seen right now, it is based on that the complement of angle 22 degree is, complement angle means it should make the 90 degrees, and here 22 degrees is already given. So what we have to do, from 90 degrees we have to subtract 22 degrees. Thus what answer will get? Thus will get 68 degrees. Therefore we'll have to substitute here 68 degrees. The supplement of the angle 140 degree is dash. So supplement angle means 180 degree. So out of 180 degrees we have 140 degrees, means obtuse angle they have given. We have to find the acute angle, okay, of how much degree it should be to make those angles supplement. So let's subtract and find its answer. Thus, the angle will be of 40 degrees. So, when we add 40 degrees in 140 degrees, that makes the total of 180 degrees. Therefore, our blank should have 40 degrees. Okay, so see children, here it appears like a dot. So as the sketch pen is very thick, because of that it appears this way. But you all are knowing how to draw the degree sign. Okay, degree sign is this way. Please do not draw like a dot over there. You have to write the degree sign this way. Now the last blank we have, the supplement of the right angle is, yes, the supplement means what? The 180 degree, and supplement of right angle means we have to subtract 90 degrees from it. So when we subtract 90 degrees, so we'll get 90 degrees. Therefore, the supplement of right angle is right angle only, or you can say 90 degrees. Now let's see the next part of our question, our exercise 5.3. Tick the pair of supplementary angles and cross out the pair of complementary angles. Here we have to tick the supplementary angle. So till now we have seen what are supplementary. In supplementary angle we get one of the angle obtuse. Obtuse means more than 90 degrees. Okay, so more than 90 degrees, where do we have? So here we don't have more than 90 degrees one of the angle, isn't it? So it is complementary angle. Okay, 72 plus 18 makes it 90 degrees. Therefore, it is what? Cross. Because complementary we have to cross out the pair of complementary. Now 40 plus 50. So it is again 90. So again cross out. Now here see, one of the angle is obtuse, that is more than right angle. Okay, more than 90 degrees we have 165. Thus it is a supplementary angle which makes the total of 180 degrees. Next and last example we have, that is 85 degrees plus 95 which exceeds the 90 degrees. Therefore it is an example of supplementary angle. Okay, the total of this will be 180. Thus tick it. Let's see the next question. Find the complement of the following angles. So you have seen complement angle means it should make 90 degrees, and here they have given 30 degrees, means one of the angle they have given. To find complementary angle we have to subtract. Okay, so I'll write here subtract. What is to be subtract? 13 to be subtracted from 90 degrees. Okay, so therefore what total we will get? Therefore we'll get the difference 77 degrees. Therefore what is the complementary angle? Therefore complementary angle is 77 degrees. Next we have another example, that is 79 degrees. We have to find the complement angle of this. So again here also the key is subtraction. So let's write subtract. So subtract 79 degrees from 90 degrees. So 90 degrees minus 79 degrees. Therefore answer equals to, thus answer is 11 degrees. Therefore complementary angle is 11 degrees. Okay, hope you have understood how to find the complementary angle. Similarly we have to find supplementary angle. Find the supplement of the following angle. Supplementary angle means it should make the total of 180 degrees. So let's do that. To make the total of 180 degrees, what we have to do? Again here also the key is subtract. Subtract 180 degrees minus 125 degrees, which makes the difference of 55 degrees. Therefore answer equals to 55 degrees. Therefore, supplementary angle is 55 degree. Okay, let's find the answer of next example. In the same way we have to do. So 91 degrees. Therefore, answer is 91 degree. Therefore, supplementary angle is supplementary angle. Okay, here I'll write. The supplementary angle formed is 91 degrees. Hope you have understood till this. We shall see the next concept using the inner scale and outer scale of the protractor. So by using inner and outer scale, how to draw the angle that already we have seen. So let's recall now. So this is the tool used for drawing angles, is called protractor, and this is inner scale. If you want to draw an angle facing right side, we have to use inner scale, and if we draw an angle facing left side, then we have to use outer scale. So let's solve now. Exercise 5.5, draw an angle of the given measurement using a protractor. So to draw first example, let's draw a line now. So this is a line, I'll name it AB. Further, I will draw an angle which faces the left side. So I'll use this protractor, adjust the baseline, and as I'm drawing an angle facing left side and I have to draw an angle of 150 degree, I will use the outer scale. Okay, and 150 degree is here. So I'll just put a point and I'll join these two points by using a scale. Now let's name the next arm as a C. Thus let's draw the arrow, and this angle measures of 150 degree. Therefore this can be written as angle ABC equals to 150 degree. Now we'll solve second example by using the inner scale of the protractor. First, let's draw a line segment of any length. Now, as we are going to use inner scale and our angle will face to the right side, so we have to keep the protractor to the left side, adjust it. Now, find the inner scale. Here completes 20 and here 25, so just mark there, and now join the points using ruler. And now name the angle. This is X, Y, and this is Z. Therefore angle X, Y, Z is of 25 degrees. Hope you have understood this.